Hello friends, I hope you all are doing very well. So today I'm going to talk about a very peculiar situation. For example, you have a sheet here and you want to add a serial number in a sequential order in the increment format like 1, 2, 3, 4. So sometimes it becomes very tedious. So normally what people try to do is that they will drag it like this, but it never increment. They will try to add a formula. So there is an easy hack to it. The trick is you just add 1, you add 2 here, then you need to select 2 columns here, sorry, not 2 cells here, and then you drag it down. See, it will automatically increment. Now let's suppose if you want to increment by a difference of 3, just for the sake of argument, you can say 1, 3, select both the column cells here, and then you drag. Now you will see there is an increment of 2. So it depends on how you are doing it, but the trick here is that you need to select at least 2 cells and then drag it down from here. So you can have that kind of arithmetic progression if I speak in mathematical terminology. So you use that way. So this is the way you should use a serial number in the increment of 1, 2, or whichever order you want. I hope you like it. So please do like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.